What if you could use ChatGPT to make real money online? Not in some distant future, but right now in 2025. Well, the truth is, people are already making hundreds of dollars every single day with this AI. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how you can do it too, even if you've never made money online before. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a full roadmap you can start today. ChatGPT by itself doesn't hand you money. It's a tool. The money comes from solving problems that people are already paying for. So what does that look like? It could be freelance writing, like blog posts and articles. It could be social media content. Think Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, or LinkedIn posts. It could be email marketing, product descriptions for e-commerce stores, or even resume writing. Businesses pay hundreds or even thousands every month for these things. So your job is to pick just one service. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one lane and let ChatGPT be your secret weapon that speeds up the process and makes your work look professional. Step 2 is learning how to prompt ChatGPT the right way. If you type something vague like, "Write me an article," you're going to get average results. But when you give ChatGPT detailed instructions, that's when the magic happens. Let me show you. If I type, "Write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of yoga in a friendly and motivational tone, written at a high school reading level, and include 3 subheadings." Boom. ChatGPT gives me a polished blog post in under a minute. Or let's try social media. Write 5 engaging Instagram captions for a coffee shop with a mix of fun emojis and a call to action to visit the store. Instantly, I have content a real business would happily pay for. The key is, the better your prompt, the better the output. And the better the output, the more clients you can impress. Okay, now that you know what service you'll offer, step 3 is finding clients. And don't worry, you don't need a giant audience or thousands of followers. There are simple ways to start today. Number 1, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can literally create a gig for social media content writer or email copywriter and start getting leads. Number 2, LinkedIn. A short post about your service can attract business owners who need help. And number 3, my favorite, is direct outreach. Look around your city or your Instagram feed. Find small businesses that clearly need better content and send them a friendly message offering to help. Here's the math. Let's say one client pays you $100 per week for social media posts. That's $400 a month from one client. Land just 3 of those clients, and you're already making $1,200 a month, all powered by ChatGPT. Step 4 is delivering the work and then scaling it up. Here's the workflow. Client gives you the request, you use ChatGPT to draft the content, you polish it a bit, and deliver. It's that simple. The best part? What might take a human writer 3 or 4 hours can take you 30 minutes. That means you can serve more clients without burning out. And once you get comfortable, you can start raising your prices, maybe $150 a week, then $200 a week. You can also upsell. If you're doing Instagram captions, offer blog posts. If you're doing blog posts, offer email newsletters. That's how you scale from side hustle income into a real business. Now here's a bonus step most people don't talk about: creating your own assets. Instead of only doing client work, you can also use ChatGPT to create ebooks, guides, or digital templates and sell them online. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy. Write it once with ChatGPT, and it can keep earning you passive income month after month. This way, you're not just trading time for money. You're building assets that pay you over and over again. So there you go. That's exactly how to make money with ChatGPT in 2025, step by step. First, pick your service. Second, learn how to prompt. Third, find your first clients. Fourth, deliver and scale. And fifth, build your own digital products for passive income. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these steps are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments and I'll reply to as many as I can. If you got value from this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Profit with AI, and share this with someone who wants to start making money online. In my next video, I'll actually share my favorite prompt templates you can literally copy and paste to start earning faster. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.